Hi, my name is Cesar, and as you may know, I'm an African descendant. And like you, I want to know more about my family tree. Unfortunately, this tree was broken for the most dramatic event of human beings. I mean, the transatlantic slave trade. According to historic data, it was one of the most extraordinary movements of people in the world history. And for centuries, thousands, no, millions of African peoples were forced to move from Africa to the mainly ports in the New World and to work as a slave for centuries for European colonizers to produce sugar, coffee, tobacco, and gold. And today, these African descendants want to know, like me, more about their African roots. For these reasons, I studied the cultural and biological legacy of different African American descendants in order to gain a better understanding of our African past. For this reason, I studied with historic, genetic, and archaeological data, and I want to get together different information and to gain a relevant understanding of this important movement. For this reason, I work with genetic tool with a powerful geographic discrimination between different African populations across the African continent. And the main aims of my study is to shed light in the darkest chapter of the human beings. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So if the jury can ask a question in English as well, we'll do the same effort.
Okay. So are you a biologist or a historian?
In fact, I'm a biologist, but I have a background in molecular anthropology.
Okay. I found your context of research really beautiful. And do you use it because you want to communicate about molecular biology, or it's really something that you really want to know?
Yeah, it's really something I want to know. I want to know more about my family tree, and I want to know how genetics could be used to answer questions about ancestry and identity.
Interesting, thank you.
Are the historical records not enough to be able to track families across this slave trade period?
In fact, there are a lot of gaps in historic data, in historic records, and I want to fill this gap with genetic information. There isn't enough information about the slaves, about the African population came to the New World, because only with historic data we know the main ports in the New World, but we don't know in the New World and in the African continent, but we don't know more about inside the continent, the geographic location of different African people.
A last question, maybe? I think we have a bit of time.
Yeah. Okay. It's the first time you present your research to a public, because it should be kind of difficult to present it in English, no?
Yeah, it's not my first time. I already made some presentation in English before, but it's the first time, only 3 minutes, and without a lot of details about genetic tools.
Yes.
It's quite difficult.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much, Cesar.
Thank you.